morning, JGFVLOGers.
We're finally
vlogging.
at the mall and
it's
vlogging.
Finally nice. We didn't vlog last week because it was freaking awful, and when it rains,
raining and ugly.
Yeah, when it rains, I got sleepy. So that's why we didn't vlog.
Now we're gonna do some shopping and eat because I'm hungry.
Because we're going on vacation this summer, so we gotta start, you know, preparing ourselves.
Hit the subscribe button.
Magnificent this summer, right?
Yeah.
You ready for our vacation this summer?
Yeah.
In 2 months?
Yeah.
Alright, don't spoil it.
We're not telling you guys where though.
You guys will see when the time comes.
Unless if we already told you.
I doubt it. Not right?
I don't know. But hit that subscribe button and watch us shop.
So what are you buying today, baby?
Wearing? I look Nick.
No, what are you buying today?
Oh, I'm not sure yet. Yesterday I bought a pair of Vans.
How
and Vans and jeans with a guacamaya on it. You know, Honduran.
I chose them for you. I saw them and I was like, we should
just try it on. I'm like, I'm not sure. He's like, try it on. So I tried it on.
That's my brother and all my siblings and my mom in the back.
Alright, you guys can see us shop now and eat some food.
We'll be back. You guys love seeing me stuff around.
I know, it's so good. You want some?
How can you eat this in front of me? Freaking Sour Patches and that. That looks so freaking good. You guys are mean. And this one right here, she thinks she's slick. Why are you walking away, huh?
There's nothing.
Yeah, it's in your tummy now.
Hmm?
Huh? Huh? You ready to grub?
They gave us a booth.
Who's ready? Are you guys ready to grub?
Oh.
I know you're gonna grub today.
Guys.
I mean, I explained it so well.
No way.
I was craving my brownie.
I want to try the wings. I've never tried them.
Oh yeah, I want wings too.
Let's see what they have in the menu. Little buffaloes.
Where's
They
that?
actually have little buffaloes here. You want to get the wings?
I think I'm getting a full buffalo.
Full buffalo? You think it fits in your tummy?
Probably.
Finished eating and we're gonna do some shopping.
Oh my god.
We'll see you guys very soon because he's tired.
My legs are sore.
So we're in Aeropostale now.
What?
Okay. I'm undecided if I should buy something here. I'll just wait for another store, right? Okay.
Yes. Damn, girl.
You know, shopping for our vacation.
Nice. Let me see. What to buy?
You see my finger?
Alright, so what happened earlier with my brother, we'll show you guys. So we were in some mirror.
Flexing.
We had a flexing competition. And then we were flexing, and then some Asian girl comes and she looks at us and starts laughing. We're right here. Go, flex. We're going like that, look, like that. I think, damn, the left one is smaller than the right one.
I'm just shoving it.
The calves. So, alright, let's go look for Jenny. Come on.
La chinita's face was like,
Found her. Found Jenny.
She was like, damn, guys.
Watch. Jenny.
Jenny.
The Asian girl again.
Hey.
Where?
Still on the other side.
She just said hey because you didn't go on that side. And you have the face of a liar even when you're
What do you got there, baby?
I'm gonna go try some shorts on.
Alright, let's go.
Voy a probar.
Let's go. I like them.
I love these.
Ooh, those are way better. Chow down.
See-through, right?
Those are really nice.
You like white?
I like them. Really nice. Which are you taking, baby? Or which
I'm
one?
decided between the black and the white, but I'm definitely taking the red one.
Nice. They all look nice on you.
George of the jungle, strong as he can be.
So guys, we had some successful shopping. George actually bought a hat. Let me show you. H&M, of course. Ready? How do I look?
Looks sexy.
I would wear it like this though. The hyper driver. The sad driver. The angry driver.
Freak man!
The slow driver. The weird positioned hand driver. Okay, hell no. I ain't trying to die. No. The one pinky drivers. Okay. My aunt driver. All the girls. How do the girls drive? How about boys? Comment below which driver you are. Oh my gosh, we forgot to tell our subscribers.
What?
All right, we're doing something very, 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 very special. We're not gonna say what yet, but it's for one of George's aunts.
Oh.
It's gonna be bomb. That's all I'm gonna say. It's gonna be
I
bomb.
know what it is.
What is it? We're not gonna say it now, but we're gonna record the whole.
We're planning everything.
We're planning everything for her. It's something very special and exciting news, but we'll let you guys see during our next vlogs. We're gonna show the process. Well, we're already gonna start planning it. It's gonna be emotional and beautiful, so just stay tuned for that. Fact. This is a fact. Me and George live like a minute away from each other. In car like a minute and walking like
3.
like 3.
People leave their cars like
Oh,
that?
by the way,
Ran their car.
this is funny. Me and George never said our age.
I'm 5.
I'm 4. Alright guys. Time for the real deal. I'm 18.
I'm 5.
George is 20 and I'm 18. We're 2 years apart, which is really nothing. Another fact. Jorge's dog has puppies like every 6 months.
Another?
You guys are about to see puppies. 3 little puppies, chihuahuas.
They're,
And they're little.
I think, a week old.
Yeah, they're like
Yeah.
a week old. I don't think you guys are ready.
They were born May 20.
They're tiny.
Cause if you're emotional, you're gonna cry.
They have water in their nose.
So there's 3 little girls. No, 2 girls and a boy. I think this is a boy. This is the boy. The special high five. Psh. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. You guys better hit that like button because he's being nice to you guys.
Princess is mad scared.
Let me show you the other 2.
Listen, what are you doing to my kids?
I'm saying hi. Another baby. Oh, little girls. And then
That's my favorite, the last one.
this is the little other girl. Hold on.
That's my favorite.
Look! They can't even see yet. So guys, we finished.
No, we just got out of church,
Yeah.
so right now we just came to meet up with the guys
There.
at their street, as you can see. Show it. Come on, camera girl. Come on.
Let it focus.
Come on. Just go like
Sorry
a
guys,
little
it's dark out.
360
There.
like that. Nice. Yeah, so right now
Our friends are waiting for us at Baja's.
I'm gonna get some froyo. Get some frozen yogurt.
I'm probably gonna get some too.
Haven't had some in a while, so you know, trying to take
He's been
advantage
craving
of this.
froyo for a while.
Like a month, actually more.
Are you sure you can walk
Well,
here?
I wanted to come last week, but
They are
to make
so
it.
beautiful, but like scary at the same time. Cause you know
Yeah.
it gets full. Like parking your
I
car.
remember once my friend's car, they broke into his car, they cracked the window, and then
That's why you have to
his
take all your
backpack
stuff.
was outside on the sidewalk. It was crazy, and I felt bad. So it was back in like 2015, I believe. Oh, trip.
I tripped too.
Yeah.
Should we go to
So
Royal first to pick up the stuff or go into Baja?
just really quick, just to say hi to the guys, and then we go to Royal. Alright,
And we'll record us making it.
we'll be back.
We're here. Hi. Mango. Mango. Alright. Alright.
I'm gonna get mango.
I'm gonna grab a cup. Dang. Alright guys, that's the end of the night.
Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment,
Comment.
subscribe right down below.
You know you want some.
This looks really good.
Wait, it's not
Yours looks
focusing.
better than mine.
It's not focusing.
That's yummy. Let me see yours. Nice. Alright guys.
Yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one.